In today's video, come shop with me at the Reject Shop Australia for Christmas 2024. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, I'm going to take you along with me shopping at the Reject Shop Australia. I hope you enjoy. Guys, here in Australia, the Reject Shop is a discount variety store where everything is really inexpensive. They have all their Halloween decor out at the moment, guys, all at really inexpensive prices. And I couldn't wait to discover their Christmas decor for this year. Now, the first thing that I discovered were these gorgeous Christmas mats. They had a number of Christmas items already out on the shelves, guys, and there were so many adorable finds. The ornaments were especially cute this year, and they range between $2 and $3, which was really inexpensive. Now, my Australian friends will probably agree with me that here in Australia, the Reject Shop always sold home decor all year round. And for the most part, it was just cute and really inexpensive. But what I found probably in the last year or so, the Reject Shop has definitely lifted their game and bought in some most adorable decor at really affordable prices. These little signs were so adorable, guys, especially this little gingerbread recipe chopping board. I thought it was so cute. believe we're already in October and we're already talking about Christmas. I can't believe how quickly it's coming around yet again. I really enjoy going into different stores, guys, and seeing all their different decor, and I especially love looking at the Reject Shop purely because it's so inexpensive. Now, the Reject Shop also hold a section of year-round home decor, and I was especially in love with these beautiful hydrangea baby blue mugs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed shopping with me at the Reject Shop Australia for Christmas 2024. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back Friday morning, guys, for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.